Hi guys, I'm sure you can guess what we're doing. We are doing the Christmas version of Marry Me. I've actually made 12 of these. Every season that I have done them, they have sold well, and I've only made 6 of them for spring, summer, and fall. And last weekend I brought the 3 fall that I had, and they sold out. So I think next year with the special editions, I'm going to do 12. But, you guys have seen me pour these many, many times. So I just went ahead and I poured it, without you guys so you didn't have to deal with it. I'm not sure my piping is quite set up yet. I'm going to try to see if it's set up enough. But these are obviously Christmas trees. And believe it or not, because I only have one of the molds, I measured my mica like with a teaspoon for the very first time in my entire career. Because I never specifically measure mica ever. So that way they were all 12 the same color. So I'm probably only going to do 2, maybe 3 with you guys. And yeah. I want to start with my gold. I want gold to be my primary color. You guys can still see. Okay, I want gold to be my primary color because I want it to be more like garland. That's what I want from it. And I should have alcoholed this. Ugh, Sue Lynn, what are you doing? Okay, and I've got red, rose gold, white, and green. So we've got our Christmas colors. I don't ordinarily wear gloves when I pipe these, but I make such a mess sometimes. Yeah, this red is not set up yet. Oh, not completely anyway. Let's put some red right there. Yeah, this is not all completely set up. Yeah, this rose gold is going to be a mess. Maybe I should cut these bags down some more. Oh, the rose gold isn't that bad. Put some right there. Oh, and there we go. There's our. Get my little. Oops, sorry, reaching. And get my little toothpick to push that down and push this one down. Okay. So how you guys doing? I'm doing good. I'm having a fun time trying to get caught up with everything. I've got so many soaps that are remakes that you guys, I mean, literally you guys have just seen them. Oh my God, this white is, oh, this white is not set up. How is that white not set up, you guys? Like, really? Yep. Oh. I just don't understand how the white isn't set up. Let me just, you know what? Hold on. I know what I'm going to do with this white. Because I don't need a lot of white. I just want white so there's, the Christmas feel to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chopstick and I'm just going to sort of put white where I want it. That's not going to work either. Dang it. We'll see if I can't get that off. The green is pretty well set up. And I need a lot of green at the top. Because we have something special to put at the top. Let me get some more rose gold right here. And I know it's on top of some rose gold, so we're going to put some red right down there. And get rid of that little tip in there. Okay, I need a little bit more gold at the top where I had that gold to begin with, because what we're going to do with each and every one of these let's put our star on top. What do you think? that Christmassy enough? Oh, Christmassy enough? That little piece of paper is in your way. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this white because it's not quite set up. That little one looks like a blob. I may just leave the white out of it entirely because the other stuff is almost set up and I have 12 to do, so let me see what one looks like without the white, and we'll go from there. We'll see what happens with those. Here is numero dos. I could also just put gold all the way down it. I'm always going to start with the gold on the top because I want that gold to be, you know, primarily what the star sits on. But it doesn't necessarily have to be the primary color on the top. These are getting all kinds of little bumpies. And I did leave out the tip that I hate so much that I've been using. Oh, I don't know why that tip was in my other bag. I didn't put it in my bag when I put stuff away last time. I was like, nope, not happening. Okay, rose gold. Need a little bit of red right here. Boy, I make a mess with these bags, I'm telling you. And I never do what I tell y'all to do. You know, twist your bag. You put a little bit more green right there. And I'm going to put some rose gold right there. And then more gold on the top. And stick a star on it and see what I think without the white. And maybe adding white to it. And I am going to put glitter on them. I'm going to put this white in the fridge. Hold on, guys. Ah, shut, fridge. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to put the white in the fridge and add some white to these empty spaces. To these empty spaces here. And then right up here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to keep these aside. I'm going to do one more with you guys. And then actually, I do need to put this on a tray because if I don't, I will lose track of it. Ooh, almost got that in the other one. That would have been bad. So bad. Yeah, I only made 8 ounces of piping because when I make 10 ounces, it's technically like 13 with the weight of the lye and the water together. So it's just too much piping and I end up with this unscented piping at the end, and I'm already having to, you know, send off soap scraps to be rebatched. Thank you again, Renee. You're so awesome. I love you. You're so good to me. Oh, that's far enough. I really like that rose gold. I wanted 2 of the colors to sparkle, and that rose gold does that job for me. I was going to use the bronze, but I think the rose gold just makes it pop a little bit better against that green. And obviously the greens are two different colors. What I used on the trees was evergreen, and what I'm using in the bag is the lily pad green. Here is our star. Let me need to remember to spray these things. Okay, guys, so I will, you know what, I'll take pictures of them after I've added the white and whatnot, so you guys can see them. I'll add them after I'm done talking. So, but you guys have a great holiday, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.